ॐ वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षि भास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसङ्ग्रहम्. In the earlier topic, we saw that there are four nimittas for Namadheyatvam. And in them, Matu Artha Lakshana Bhayat, Matu Artha Lakshana Bhayat was one. Vakya Bhed Bhayat was second, Tat Prakhya Shastrat third, and Tad Vyapadeshachya fourth. Then somebody said, somebody means in the Grantha, that Utpatti Shishta Guna Baliyastvam should be Panchamam Namadheya Nimittam. When they say iti kechit or anye, means it is not Swasiddhanta. This applies to all granthas. Whenever they say kechit, kechit means some people say, anya means some people say, like that. So it is not our mukhya siddhanta, and therefore this panchamam namadheyatvam was refuted. And at the end it was said vastutastu. Vastutastu tat prakhya shastrat eva asya karma namadheyatvam. So it falls into the Tat Prakhya Shastra, the third category. So it is not a fifth one separate from the first four. In this way, you have to understand. Okay. And what is that Prakhya Shastra? So that was given Vishwadeva Rupa Guna Sampratipanna Shastrasya Arthavada Rupasya Eva. Then we started Nishedha Mimansa, where the Na Artha is used. So in the form of Nivrutti. If vidhi is for pravritti, this is for nivritti. Nivritti, nivartana. That shabda was used in the Moolam. How? So that discussion is going on. Now we are on page number 66. Naya swabhava kathanam. Nayascha esha swabhavo. Yat swa samabhivyahrita padartha virodhi bodhakatvam. What is the swabhava of naya? Naya means negation. Like in samasa also we say naya samasa. Na vyaktam iti avyaktam. Avyaktam means na vyaktam, like that. So that is naya samasa, negation. Here, so the swabhava of naya is yat swa samabhivyahrita padartha virodhi bodhakatva. Whatever is samabhivyahrita means whatever is heard simultaneously, tat padartha virodhi bodhakatva. Drishtanta is given to make it easy. Yatha ghato nasti. In ghato nasti, along with the na, what is heard? Ghato asti. Asti, ghato asti. Both you have to keep in mind. Ghato asti. So the meaning of na or the swabhava of na is whatever is the samabhivyahrata padartha. Samabhivyahrata padartha is what is heard along with na. What is heard along with na is ghato asti. Its virodhi bodhakatvam is there. यथा घटो नास्ति इत्यादौ अस्ति इति शब्द समभिव्याहृतो न घट सत्व विरोधी घट असत्वम गमयति. So in this case na goes with asti and therefore it will become ghato asti is ghata sattvam. Ghato nasti will become ghata asatvam. Or you say ghato asti is ghata bhava. Ghato nasti will become ghata bhava. Gamayati. Gamayati means jnapayati. tat iha linga samabhivyahruto न लिंगार्थ प्रवर्तना विरोधिनी. If it is not clearly printed, विरोधिनी निवर्तनाम एव बोधयति. प्रवर्तना विरोधिनी निवर्तना. प्रवर्तना means प्रवृत्ति. प्रवृत्ति विरोधी निवृत्ति बोधयति. So in ghato asti nasti there is no pravritti nivritti, but pravritti in vidhi vakya there will be pravritti. Ghatam anaya. So nivritti will be ghatam na anaya, like that. So that is linga samabhivyahrata. Lingtva, akhyatatva is there and lingtva is there. Along with that lingtva, whatever that naya artha is there, it will do nivartanam. Bodhayati. विधि वाक्य श्रवणे अयम माम प्रवर्तयति इति प्रतीतेः. In vidhi vakya shravana, what happens? Ayam mam pravartayati, this kind of pratiti happens. Ayam can be person, ayam can be Veda, Shruti. It is asking me to do something. See, Vedanta doesn't say you should see Atma or you should do Shravana. Even though it sounds like a vidhi. But that pravartanam should happen naturally. Therefore, it is not a vidhi. But vidhi will be swarga. If somebody has desire for swarga, you do this yaga, that yaga, etc. Mam pravartayati iti pratitehe. Tasmat nishedha vakya sthale nivartana eva vakyartha. Therefore, in nishedha vakya, nivartana will be the vakyartha. Because in vidhi vakya, pravartana is the vakyartha. Therefore, here will be opposite. यदा तु प्रत्यार्थस्य तत्र अन्वये बाधकम तदा धात्वर्थस्य एव तत्र अन्वयः. यदा तु प्रत्यार्थस्य तत्र अन्वये बाधकम. Where, so there are two things now, dhatu artha and pratyaya artha. Kalanjan na bhakshaye. So in that there is a dhatu artha of bhakshanam and the other is pratyaya artha, vidhiling. So then if the na artha, its अन्वय यदा तु प्रत्यार्थस्य तत्र अन्वये बाधकम. If there is a badhak for na artha to do अन्वय with pratyaya, then its अन्वय will happen with dhatu artha. Tada dhatu arthasya eva tatra अन्वयः. So first priority will be given to pratyaya artha. But it does not mean that only pratyaya artha will be there. Sometimes you have to do nisheda with dhatu artha also. Tatra tacha badhakam dvividham. Now this badhakam is of two types. Tasya vratam iti upakramo vikalpa prasaktischa. Tasya vratam iti upakramah. One. Vikalpa prasakti. Second. Tatra adyam. Now, what kind of vratam? So they give drishtanta. Neksheta udyantam adityam. Nekshetoudyantam adityam. Means na iksheta udyantam adityam. Rising sun you should not see. People go so much distance to see rising sun. Sunrise we are going to see. Veda says Na iksheta udyantam adityam. So now somebody will ask, why? So the answer is, at that time you have to do your Sandhya Vandanam. Don't go and see sun. That is the whole idea. So people, instead of doing their Sandhya, they will go on seeing the sun. Or if you are a sannyasi, if you are not doing Sandhya, then you do your japa, whatever pranava japa if you want to do, or you do dhyanam, chintanam, etc. Na iksheta udyantam aditya ityadav. So this is probably only specific to brahmacharis. Those who have brahmachari means brahmacharya, those who are not sannyasi, those who have to do sandhya vandanam, etc. This is the instruction for them. This is a brahmachari vratam. Tasya vratam iti upakramya etad vakya pathat. Because the topic starts with tasya vratam and then this patha comes. So this comes under vratam. Tasya means the graduated brahmachari, the one who graduates from school, Gurukula. It's called a Snataka. He has done Samavartana. After that, when Guru has said, now you can go. So while he is in Gurukula, he doesn't have freedom to do whatever he wants. At that time itself, everybody is doing Sandhya Vandanam. So he cannot do Surya Darshan at that time. But when he goes home, then he will forget all these things, etc. So it is possible that he is told, don't do this. So in the Hindi they have given, na iksheta udyantam adityam na astam yantam kadachana. Astam yantam also, we are going to see sunset. No sunset, do your sandhya at that time. तस्य व्रतम इति उपक्रम्य एतद् वाक्य पाठ तथा च अत्र पर्युदास आश्रयणम. Now there is some thing called paryudasa and there is something else called prasakta, prasajya. Prasajya and paryudasa. And in this there is a shloka. द्वौ नयौ तु समाख्यातौ पर्युदास प्रसज्यकौ. पर्युदासः सदृग्राही प्रसज्यस्तु निषेधकृत. This is there in Bhaimi Vyakhya. Bhaimi, but page number. Okay, I'll tell you where it is. It is in Anachicha. If you see, because there negation is there, Anachi. In that sutra, Vyakhyanam, in Bhaimi Vyakhya, they have given this. What is the meaning? Nay can be of two types. Paryudasa Pratishedha and Prasajya Pratishedha. Pradhanyam tu videhe yatra Pratishedhe apradhanata. Paryudasaha savigneya. What is Paryudasa? Where Pradhanata is in Vidhi and Apradhanata is in Pratishedha. They are not interested in negation, they are interested in assertion, Vidhi. It is a negation, remember. But in that, the importance is given to some Vidhi, like Abrahmanam Anaya. So they want, normally in Gurukula, for cooking, normally they need a Brahmana. Now let us say for some reason, Brahmana is not available, or in that village, some Brahmana is not there, who knows how to cook. So they will say, Abrahmana Manaya, chalo bhai, bring somebody. Somebody means, see, Abrahmana Shabda means na Brahmana. So Vriksha is Abrahmana. A stone is also Abrahmana. Any Jada Padartha is Jada Chetan. Other than Brahmana, everything is Abrahmana. So there, the emphasis is not in bringing anything. So there, Abrahmana, only Brahmana Nisheda is done. Or some kind of food if they have to cook there, which Brahmana will say, I will not come. Let's say there are a lot of Kshatriyas are there in that Gurukula. It can happen, they do Shastra Vidya and all studies. They say Abrahmana Mana. So that cook also will be Kshatriya type. Who will cook their kind of food with some masala, etc. So here, Naya is that Anvaya is with Brahmana. In Abrahmanam Anaya, Naya is not with Anaya. Otherwise, what will happen? Don't bring. So there is no emphasis of don't bring. There is emphasis of no Brahmana. This is the emphasis. This is called Paryudasa Pratisheda. Prasajya Pratisheda is of the other type. Apradhanyam videhe yatra. Pratishede pradhanata. Pradhanata is in Pratisheda. Like Anritam na vaktavyam. Anritam na bruyat. So there, the na goes with bruyat. So therefore, vidhi, bruyat is not pradhana, na bruyat is pradhana, nisheda is pradhana. Here, this is prasajya pratisheda. So there are two types. Okay. Now you see here, tathahi. Vrata shabdasya. So now when it is said, na iksheta udyantam adityam. Udyantam adityam means rising sun, na iksheta. Don't see. So what is the emphasis? Don't see is the emphasis, means the na anvaya should happen with ikshanam, or should it happen with udyantam adityam? तथा ही व्रत शब्दस्य कर्तव्यार्थे रूढ़त्वात्. Vrata means I have to do something. That is called vratam. So now they are asking me, na iksheta udyantam adityam. Don't see rising sun. So what should I do? This is the question of that brahmachari, because he is, tell me what should I do? I have to do some vratam. Tasya vratam iti atra snatakasya vratanam kartavyattvena upakramat. Because it is a vratam of this snataka kartavyattvena. Kim tat kartavyam iti akankszayam na iksheta udyantam adityam ityadina kartavyartha eva pratipadani. So you have to translate this vakya into some kartavyam. Anyatha पूर्वोत्तर वाक्ययोः एकवाक्यत्वं न स्यात्. Otherwise, with the earlier vakya that it is a kartavya of the snataka, it is a vrata, with that ekavakyata will not happen. तथा च नय अर्थेन न प्रत्ययार्थान्वयः कर्तव्यार्थ अनवबोधात्. So if you do नय अर्थस्य अन्वय with pratyaya, then there is no kartavya. Kartavya buddhi will not happen, because na iksheta is there. Vidhi artha pravartana virodhi nivartanaya eva tadrisha naya bodhanat. By such naya, by such negation, vidhi artha pravartana virodhini nivartana bodha should happen. So what kind of nivartana bodha in the form of kartavya should happen? Tasyasya kartavyarthatva abhavat. So that nivartana does not have any kartavya. So, but you see in Vedas, they find solution. Tasmat. Na iksheta iti atra naya dhatvartha virodhini dhatvartha virodhi अनीक्षण संकल्प एव लक्षणया प्रतिपाद्यते तस्य कर्तव्यत्व संभवाय. What should I do? I should do a sankalpa. What sankalpa? I will do anikshanam. Anikshanam means I will not see. I will not see, that is my kartavya. Anikshana sankalpa I will do. So I will have kartavyatva. Like, I'll give simple drashtanta. Let us say Mahatmas are walking at Gangaji. Now so many people come doing so many other things. So what should be our sankalpa? Anikshana. I am not going to see here, there, what is happening. I will see Gangaji. I will do my whatever yatra there I want to do and come back. Or not only there, anywhere else also, something or the other will always happen. My anikshana sankalpa should be, I don't want to see. And I am not interested. This is my sankalpa. This is kartavya. So in this nishedha, kartavya pratipadanam can be done. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.